Hello students, this is Mrs. Raksha Shirodkar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. So today we'll continue with the same chapter from Computer Science paper 2 instruction set of 8085, that is chapter number 2. We had started with the arithmetic group and we had completed with total 9 instructions in the last video. Now we'll see today with the 10th instruction. We'll continue. So the instructions that we completed in the last video were about subtraction. We completed with the addition instructions. Now we'll continue with the subtraction instruction. In the last video we had seen the 3 subtraction instructions. Today we'll continue with the subtraction instructions also. So the 10th instruction stands for SBBR, which is nothing but the subtract, register and borrow from the accumulator. So as we had seen in the addition, we used to add carry, so there was C in that addition, but in subtraction we'll be seeing B. B is nothing but borrow, which is same as carry. So in subtraction we call it as borrow. So SBBR stands for subtract, register and borrow from the accumulator. So see, in the format I have written A minus R minus CY. Why R? Because the instruction itself has R in it, which is nothing but the register. So it will subtract accumulator from the register, and carry flag also will be subtracted, and the result is stored in the accumulator. Okay. So the addressing mode is register addressing mode, group is arithmetic group, bytes will be 1 byte, and the flags that will get affected are all in this particular instruction. So what happens here in the explanation, how will you explain this particular instruction? Why is it register addressing mode? Why? Because there are only registers which we can take, and 1 byte because there is no data present in this particular instruction. So from the format itself you can explain the instruction, that is, in this instruction the content of the register and the carry flag is subtracted from the content of the accumulator, and the result is always placed in accumulator. All the flags may be affected. So in the example I have written, let A is equal to 3AH and C is equal to 15H, carry is equal to 01H. Now accumulator content I have assumed. Then the register that I will be taking is C that I have assumed. You can take any register, A, B, C, D. Even if you take A, that also will do. Then carry flag you can assume either 0 or 1. I have assumed 1 here. Okay. So the instruction that I have assumed is SBBC. Okay. So that C is nothing but my register. So what will happen here? A minus the register C content minus the carry flag content. But as I have told you in the last video, that here in the subtraction what we do is we follow the 2's complement method, but not of the accumulator and not of the carry flag also, but we only follow the 2's complement for either the register if it is register in the instruction, or the data if there is data in the instruction. Okay. So here, since in this instruction we have register, so what we'll do is we'll take the 2's complement of the register C that we have assumed. Okay. So register C is the data that I have assumed. So 15H is my data that I have assumed for register C, and now I'll take 2's complement of 15H. Okay. So but before complementing the register C, what happens here, since there is borrow in the instruction, in the previous instructions we did not have borrow, we only had the register. So we used to only subtract the we used to only find the 2's complement of the register, correct? But since there is borrow present in this instruction, what we'll do first is, before finding the 2's complement also, we'll add the register content with the carry flag content, and then whatever answer that we get after adding both, we'll find the 2's complement of that answer, and then after finding the 2's complement of that answer, we'll add with the accumulator. So this is the procedure. Okay, even if you're taking 0 for the carry flag, then too you need to show the addition even if you're getting the same answer. Okay, now see, your register C is 15H, so write 15H in binary, that is 1 and 5, 0 0 0 1. For 1, 5 is 0 1 0 1. Borrow that I have assumed here is 0 1. You can take either 0 1 or 0 0. So for 0 1 the data is 4 times 0 and 0001. After adding both the data, I got the answer as 1 6, correct? So in decimal it is 160 0001 0110, which is nothing but 1 6. Now you need to find the 2's complement of this 1 6. Okay, so the 2's complement I have written there. How to find the 2's complement? First you will write the 1's complement of that particular answer by replacing 0 by 1 or 1 by 0, and then add 1 to your 1's complement answer. Then you will get the 2's complement result. Okay, so I have written directly the 2's complement answer as 1110 1010 is my answer. Now this answer you will be adding with the accumulator content, that is 3AH. After adding, I got the answer as 0010 0100, with carry that I have got here is 1. Okay, so the accumulator, after executing sub SBBC instruction, the content of the accumulator is 24H, correct? Before executing this instruction, the content was 3AH. So since there is carry which got generated, you will complement the carry. So now the carry flag is reset, that is carry is equal to 0 now. Okay, so in this particular answer, if you get a carry in your result, you will find complement of that particular carry flag. Okay, so let us see the next instruction, that is SBBM, which is my 11th instruction. Okay, so this is my 11th instruction which I'll be seeing. So SBBM is same as SBBR. The only difference is, by instead of taking R, I'll be taking M here. So subtract memory content to the accumulator along with the carry flag. Okay, so the format that I have written here is same. Instead of writing M, I'll write HL. We always write HL in that M instruction. So A minus HL minus CY, and the result will be placed in accumulator. So hence the arrow is towards accumulator. Addressing mode will be register in direct addressing mode. Why? Because there is M in the instruction. Then arithmetic group bytes is 1 byte since there is no data. Flags that will be affected are all. Now the explanation or the comment. How will you explain? In the same way, the content of the memory location whose address is stored in the HL register pair is subtract along with the carry bit from the content of the accumulator, and the result is placed in the accumulator. Now all the flags may be affected. So while starting or reading this particular answers or comment, after reading it repeatedly, you will be knowing the next instruction by your own. Okay, so you can write in your own words the comment or explanation. Now example that I have taken here is A. A is accumulator. So SBBM means you need A, HL content plus carry content. So A that I have assumed is 2CH. HL, since it is a 16-bit register, you need to assume 16-bit data, which I have assumed as C050. Now since you need to subtract it with accumulator, so hence you will assume it as 8-bit again. So first 16-bit you will assume, and then you will assume the same as 8-bit, any number. So C050 is equal to 28H. Okay, see how I have written, the same way you will write HL in bracket is equal to C050, then comma C050 in bracket, which is equal to 28H, which is nothing but my HL register pair, which I have assumed as 8-bit. And the carry that I have assumed here is 00H, correct? Now the instruction that I will be taking is SBBM. Now what I have to show after executing the content of accumulator will be what? So that we have to find. How will you find? You will now before subtracting all of these three content, you will have to find the 2's complement, correct? But for finding the 2's complement in the previous instruction, that is SBBR, we used to add the carry content with the register content. Now here what you will do is you will add HL pair content with the carry content. HL pair is what now? 28H, 8-bit data you will have to add with the carry content, which is 00, correct? So the answer will be same, 28H. Then this 28h, you will find the 2's complement of 28h, and then the answer that you get for 2's complement of 28h will be added with the content of accumulator, that is 2CH. Okay, and then that will be my final answer that I'll be getting is directly I have written. I have not shown you the binary subtraction or addition, so you can try it by yourself. Now after execution, the accumulator content that I'll get is 04H, that is 4 times 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 in binary. So the flags that I'll be affecting is the 5 flags that I have shown. You can write in the previous instruction also, which I have not shown. The flag register, then you draw. So this was my 11th instruction which I completed. Now we'll continue with the 12th instruction, that is the last instruction of subtraction in this particular group. But I have said, like already, we have total 20 instructions in the arithmetic group, so we'll be continuing with the same group. So in this video, this is the last instruction of subtraction. In the next video, we'll continue with the arithmetic group. 12th instruction is SBI data. Okay, so what happens here is subtract immediate data along with the borrow. So in the format I have written A minus data minus CY. Okay, since there is I mentioned in the instruction, that addressing mode becomes immediate addressing mode, and since there is data mentioned in the instruction, the bytes will be 2 bytes. Group is arithmetic group, flags are all. Now how will you explain? Here you will write the 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte instruction is subtracted along with the carry bit from the content of the accumulator, and the result is placed in accumulator, and all the flags may be affected. Or you can change the sentence from whatever, but the format should be as it is in the sentence. So you can write the sentence looking at the format. So the format is the main thing that you should know. So how will you change it? You will change as in, you can write in this instruction, the content of accumulator is subtracted from the data, that is 8-bit data, along with the carry flag, and the result of subtraction is placed in accumulator. Okay, so see now example, let us see the example here. I have taken accumulator content, that is you need accumulator and carry flag, correct? The data should be mentioned in the instruction itself. So the accumulator content that I have assumed here is 29H. Carry content that I have assumed here is 01H. You can take 00 also. Okay. So the instruction is SBI, and the data that I have assumed here is 28H. You can assume any data, 5, 7, 5, 9 that you like. Okay. So SBI 28H. Now here the 2's complement, most important, the 2's complement of whose you will find. So you will be fine, except for the accumulator. You will never take the accumulator anywhere for finding the 2's complement. So you will be adding first data with the carry flag, that is data is 28H. You will be adding with 01. So you will get 29H. So that 29H ka 2's complement you will find, and the 2's complement answer of 29H will be added with the accumulator content, that is 29H. And the result that I got after execution, that is after executing this particular instruction, the result is A is equal to 00H. I have not shown the flag register anywhere. You can write the flag bits that got affected, and also you can draw the flag register in the box in the previous instruction as I have shown. So okay, so this was the last instruction of the subtraction, that is SBI data. So we'll continue with the next instructions in the next video, and many more to go for this particular group. We have total 20. So we left with total 8 instructions in this particular group. I hope you all are taking down all the notes, as these instructions are very, very important, and you need to practice these instructions along with the examples. You try taking different data for the every instructions, okay, so that you will be getting it more clearly. Okay, so take down along with the example, see what result you are getting. Okay, so thank you student, this was my last instruction. Thank you. We'll continue with the next video.